Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Commerce Hunt, and my name is Ajal Srivastav, and I am here to discuss the very important topic today. So I will start my discussion with the two questions, okay? What is the one thing we crave for? Appreciation and encouragement. And what is the one thing we beat ourselves up about? And the answer is our mistakes. So we all have been conditioned to be perfect in all that we do, be it the most trivial task, we are expected to do them without making a single mistake. But why? I once came across the quote that mistakes are proof that you are trying. So today I'm going to discuss some important aspect of this quote which is very beneficial for us. So, there have been innumerable stories on how successful people have stumbled in achieving their goals. We all know about Thomas Edison. He failed in inventing the light bulb 1000 times before it actually happened. When asked how it felt to fail so many times, Edison replied, the light bulb was an invention with 1000 steps. Each time he was unsuccessful, he learned where he went wrong, get back on his feet, and continued till he was successful. So, basically, mistakes are something that any person who puts effort in capable of making. If we are trying to progress in our life, we must be willing to make mistakes. In the spirit of success, we must learn from our own mistakes. If we talk about myself, in my whole life, I made so many mistakes, and now in my developer career, making mistake is everyday routine. I love often to telling myself that your last mistake was the best teacher of your life. So, suppose you are trying something new in your life and you are trying something new and big and greater in your code, the possibility of making any mistake is 80%, almost 90%, because it is your first time. So, no need to worry about it. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. At some point, you may start to think how other people can get success often and you can't after giving so many works on it. Well, never compare yourself. At some point, you may start to think how other people can get success so often and you cannot after giving so many works on it. Well, never compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 10. Everybody has different plot poem, especially in the zeal of youth, in the super duper enthusiasm, zeal and energy. We could be making some serious mistake, but what is beautiful in life is life allows us to correct those mistakes, isn't it? Behind the pencil there is a rubber because mistake can be erased. If we remember a Hindi quote, भूल होना प्रकृति है, मान लेना संस्कृति है और सुधार लेना प्रगति है, means success hai. So no matter how many times you failed, you should stand up and do it again and again until you make it. You learn and grow whenever you stumble and fall, but you also learn how to get up and avoid making the same mistake as you go along. As you make mistake, you are also on your way on making great things happen. So when you make a mistake, just put yourself together and just remember that it is all part of the experience and it is a requirement of success. So my lot of wishes with you all. Thank you so much.